Hello, hello, my fellow entrepreneurs. How are you today? I wanted to talk to you about Printful, which is the print on demand company, probably one of the leaders in this space. And I have a product that I did have printed as a test. I had a Shopify store, which I recently closed because I have way too many things going on, was scattered too much, so I had to close that shop and focus on other things. But I do have an Etsy shop that I recently opened to test the mugs, and I'm going to be testing some other products as well. So far, so good. I received good reviews on the mugs. I had good reviews when I had the Shopify store on the t-shirts. So great. We always want to have good customer reviews. That will build your brand and a business. You never want to get those, I'd rather use a company that has superior products, pay a little bit more, and get those good reviews than an inferior product, a company with an inferior product. And again, that's my personal opinion, but that's how I like to do business. And it's all about the quality, you know what I mean? So here is the t-shirt. I cut it up for the gym, but as you can see, the printing, I don't know if you could see it, but it is very bright. And through several washes, it has not cracked, and it's super soft after you wash it. So and the size was just about right. So I was very happy with the quality that Printful provided with the screen printing. I will say the two negatives that I can think of if I was to, give this honest review, is the shipping time and the production time is probably a little bit, I want to say, slower than maybe some of the other companies. Or of course, if you are doing it yourself, you can have these printed up in a day, but sometimes it takes a few days. They don't guarantee, I think, delivery for, especially now during the holidays. It's a long time, can be up to 7 to 10 days, and that could be a problem. But that's whatever it is that you choose for your business is the way you're going to go anyway. For me, I'd rather have that higher quality product. And then the pricing, it is a little bit more of a higher price range, higher price point, and you have to figure out where you want to compete. Something I've learned over the years in business is that you can't be everything to everybody. So if you're going to be a cheap t-shirt guy, then go for the cheaper, more, like even go find yourself a local printer that you can cut a deal with. And if if you don't want to do the print on demand thing, but everything is what your customer base is. And my customer is okay with having a better product and having it shipped a little bit later and a little more expensive. So those are the only two things that I can think of. I mean, they're a great company. So I'm going to take you to part 2 of this video, which is right now. I'm actually going to connect these videos so you can watch me get into Printable and my new Etsy shop, and I can show you just a few of the mugs that I've designed, and get into Printful just to explain a little bit about what it's about in case you have not signed up with Printful. And it is free, and it's free to integrate with many, many platforms. So let me go ahead and get into that video right now. Please like and subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and I will keep providing good content for you if you keep on, giving me all those good comments and the feedback, guys. I love you. Today I'm going to talk about Printful. Printful is a print-on-demand company that works seamlessly with Etsy, Amazon, and many other platforms. And what's so great about Printful is that you don't have to carry any inventory. They do all the work for you. They carry the product. All you need to do is come up with a great design and then put it on the platform of your choice. And we are talking about Etsy today. So I'm going to go into my account that I just opened. I opened a new shop, and I'm kind of playing around with it just to see exactly how the process works and to see if their products are good. So before we get into my actual shop, I want to just show you some of the products that you can have printed. And there are hoodies and sweatshirts. They also do embroidery, so you can do hats and shirts, mugs, leggings, skirts, dresses, even canvas prints, backpacks, and socks. So the way it works is that you would sign up for a free account with Printful, and then you're going to integrate it with your other platform. And I did that with this Etsy account, my Superverse. I'm just playing around with it. It's kind of like a demo account for me to play around with print on demand. And so far, so good. I am actually using their mugs, and I've gotten good reviews on them, so the quality is good. The shipping can take a little bit longer than most companies, but you know what? For the product and for the ease of it, it's fine with me. And the prices are a little bit higher than some of the other companies, but again, I'd rather have a superior product than something cheap. And all you need to do is just come up with your designs. And I use PicMonkey for mine. And you can obviously do whatever you choose, whichever company. It does have to be a transparent background if you want to just have, like, for example, the mug being shown through in white. You have to use that transparent background. And the way it works is that you would go over to your dashboard, and let's say you're, so I have two stores here. I have Amazon and Etsy, and you would just add a product. And you choose which product that you would like. Let's choose tank tops. This is what it will cost you, their price. That's for an all over print. It's quite expensive, but you want to go with more of like the least expensive for just a print on the front of the t-shirts in most cases. But, because otherwise you would have to charge probably about $34 to make any kind of profit, because Etsy does take, I believe it's either 3.5% or 5%, and Printful charges you this price as well. So you would choose your product and then just upload your design, or you can even add your own text. So you can do whatever you want, move that around, change your font colors, change your font, and then you're just going to go to your, save this, and then you're going to sync it right to your Etsy account. You have a description, and that's it. That's as simple as it goes. Now, this is not an in-depth tutorial. I just wanted to show you exactly what Printful was and what it's all about. And really easy if you guys don't want to carry your own products, or you're not even sure what you want to do. So definitely check it out. And this concludes the Printful edition.